Morning guys, Robert here with Glacier Supply. Today I'd like to share with you about capacitors. It's getting to be summertime coming here and we're going to be out to our AC units and heat pumps, and capacitors could be bad. In my experience, about every 3 to 5 years on our service or maintenance, you're going to need to replace a capacitor or a contactor. We're going to discuss what a capacitor is and what they're for, right? So obviously, what is a capacitor? A capacitor is a giant battery that stores power for the system to help start our fan motor, our compressor, whatever it is connected to. We have many different sizes. We have small, round, skinny, round, oval. We have small, round. We have larger, round. Our capacitors come in two capabilities. It comes in a 370 for our power and a 440 for our power. Now, we'll discuss what the difference of that is, and that is what's made up inside. The inside guts of this is what makes it a 370, and the 440, it has better material, stronger material. That is what the difference is. You can see right here, there is no difference in size, but there is difference in capabilities. Now, we have a lineup of multiple turbo capacitors, so this one will do from 2.5 to 15 MFDs. This will do from 2.5 to 15 MFDs. We just have a small round and we have an oval. We have the large round, which obviously goes up to, this one goes up to 67 from 2.5, and this largest one goes up to 97.5 MFDs, depending on the size of your unit. These come with multiple taps, so you can jump and adjust the size, even on the bigger ones. So let's look into how do we test a capacitor, will you? Okay guys, let's look at testing the capacitor now. So we have to look at our type of capacitor, not so much the 440, but the numbers written on it. It has a 45 or a 5. The 5 would be for like our fan, the 45 would be for our compressor. Again, it could be 7 or 10. This capacitor here is a 60 and a 10. So again, looking at the terminals on our compressor, we have a hermetic, and we have, for the compressor, we have the fan terminal, and then we have the common, which would go to our contactor for energizing this. So first we would set our meter to microfarads. If your meter has microfarads, or go to the ohm rating, set it to UF. And then we're going to go ahead and connect our meter. Common to fan, we have 10. Common to our compressor, we have 63.2. Again, we have plus or minus 6% on each of these tests to see if they're good or bad. Now, regardless of 370 or 440, they operate as a battery. For those of you that are wondering what is inside our compressor, 70 10 microfarads, but we've removed the top from it, and you can see we just have wires connected, and we have just a giant battery. It's foil wrapped with grease and oil to keep it cool. When they overheat, they tend to swell. If you guys come up on a job and this unit is swollen on the bottom or on the top, then you're going to know that that capacitor is going bad or has been overheating and boiling off inside of there. Again, thank you so much for coming and listening, and hope this helps you out in the field. You guys have a great day.